Hey, what's up? I'm Mark, and welcome back to Lifestyle Savant. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you a beginner's guide to Instagram. So Instagram is one of the largest and most quickly growing apps on your smartphone, Android, iOS, etc. It's blowing up huge. Right now, there's currently over 1 billion users daily. If you're not on Instagram and you're a business owner or you're looking to build a personal brand, you have to get on it today. It's an amazing platform. There's tons of engagement. And I'm going to go through a few reasons why you should be on there. So when it comes to building a personal brand or a business, I don't think there's anything better than Instagram right now. The reason is it gives you a very easy way of reaching and connecting and discussing your product or service with potential customers, clients. Basically what the app does is it gives you a platform to create a page, similar to a program like Facebook, for example, where you're basically posting pictures, videos, and similar content. When someone sees a post and likes it, they follow it to see more of your content. Over time, as you create more content, you're going to create more likes and more followers. And what this is going to do is be a very efficient and cost-effective way of reaching hundreds, thousands, or millions of people. Again, the key here is that you're wanting to spread a particular message. You want to increase your reach. Think about it this way. The old school way of marketing might be calling people on the phone, going door to door, passing out flyers by the mall. But with Instagram, you can simply create a post and thousands of people will be able to see that post right from their phone. So you're working very efficiently and very targeted. It's just a really amazing platform. So as you create better content and you get more followers, and you create more reach, it's going to give you the ability to monetize in different ways. So one of the most popular ways for anyone to monetize their Instagram account is to become what we call an influencer. So what a lot of influencers are going to do is they're going to reach out to particular brands, or brands will reach out to them and say, hey, you've got a network of 20,000 followers. They're in my niche, whether that's fitness or beauty or parenting. You're in my niche. I have this particular product that I think will really resonate with your follower base. Would you make a post or multiple posts promoting my product? They say yes. You as the influencer will say yes, and they might pay you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, depending on your follower base. And at first glance, you might think, well, this sounds ridiculous. Who's going to pay me thousands of dollars to mention a makeup brand? But these companies historically have been paying hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars to advertise on television. And let's be honest, when's the last time you actually watched a commercial all the way through? The chances of that are becoming less and less prevalent as more and more people are focusing on their phones. So Instagram is just a really effective way of reaching potential customers and clients. Another popular way for accounts with lots and lots of followers to monetize is to give shout outs to smaller accounts. So for example, let's say I'm a smaller account with 1,000 followers, let's say, but I really want to grow so I can create greater reach. We already talked about why that's important. What I can do is I can reach out to a larger account with say 100,000 followers and say, hey, I will pay you X amount of dollars, let's say $100, and I'd like you to give me a shout out. I'd like you to tell all your followers about my page and send them to my page. And when one of these big followers do that, or one of these big accounts do that, it's going to send people to your page, they're going to like, they're going to follow, and it's going to help drive your platform. The last thing I want to point out is that Instagram is primarily a mobile phone application. So despite the fact that you can use your computer to look at it, it's very limited. So when you're creating content, photos, videos, you really want to make it with the context of a phone in mind. Mobile phone, someone sitting at the bus station or in their home watching TV. That's the concept you want to use. If you don't already have an Instagram account, I strongly recommend you download it today. It's a really effective way of building your business, building your brand, and monetizing in a way that will allow you to not only have fun and reach out and network with people, but potentially make money in the future. I can say that personally, I've had a lot of success networking with people all around the country, and it's been actually really cool. As far as social media is concerned, I always thought about social media historically as ways to argue with people about politics or religion and things of that nature, but Instagram is a little bit different. And if you go into it with the right mindset, in the mindset of networking with other like-minded humans, you're going to get a lot out of it. Stay tuned for more awesome content. Give me a like, give me a comment if there's anything you'd like to see in particular, and make sure to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.